right, hi, my friends. This is our phonics lesson. Let's see here, lesson 143. Okay, so today we're going to review compound words, and then we're also going to review contractions. Okay, so I hope you're paying close attention to this video. We'll start with compound words. Now, remember, a compound word, say it with me, a compound word is two words joined together to make one word. Let's say that again. Ready? Go. A compound word is two words joined together to make one word. So if you look on the board here, I have some words here, and we need to make compound words. I have the first word in each compound word, and we need to add another word to them to make it a compound word. So let's look at my first word here. Now, to help me read this word, there are two vowels in this word. So the first vowel is long, the second vowel is silent. So ready? Side. Side. Now, let's think of another word that we can use to add to our first part of the word side to make it a compound word. Side. Side, let me give you a hint, okay? When you go outside, not outside, but let's say you go outside your house and you step onto this. From your porch, you step onto this. It is your side walk. Sidewalk. So, A-L-K. Sidewalk, okay? Let's go to the next word. Ready? Once again, there's two vowels. The A is going to be long. The I is going to be silent. Ready? Go. Rain. Rain. Rain what? Now, think about it. We could do raincoat, but there's another one I'm thinking of. Now, this word, you see it in the sky after it rains and the sun comes out, and it's colorful. What is it called? It's called a rainbow. Rainbow. So, B, and then O-W says O. So, rainbow. Good. All right, let's go to the next one. Ready? There's only one vowel in this word, so it's going to be short. Ready? K, up. Cup. Cup. Let's see. If you have a cup and it goes all the way to the top, it is what? It is full. So, cup full. F-U-L. Cup full. Okay, good. And then the last one, we have a special sound here of O-R. What does O-R say? O-R says or. Ready? K-orn. Corn. Corn. What word could we add to corn to make it a compound word? Corn. Corn. Stalk. Corn stalk. S-T, st, and then A-L-K for auk. Stalk. Corn stalk. So if you've ever seen a cornfield outside before, and the corn gets very high off the ground, that is a corn stalk, the tall plants in the cornfield. So we could have said corn stalk, or we could have said cornfield too. Okay, so those are compound words. Remember, a compound word, let's say it again, is two words joined together to make one word. Good. Now let's move right along here to our, let me turn my camera, there we go, to our contractions. Now, I have my little sign here to help us remember about contractions. Now remember, for a contraction, I'll move it closer here, the first word stays the same. Okay, and then the second word, some of the letters pop out, and then they are replaced with an apostrophe. So a contraction, it's two words. The first word stays the same, and then in the second word, some of the letters pop out, and then those letters are replaced with an apostrophe. So I have some contractions here, and we need to figure out what these contractions, what two words these contractions are. So here's our first contraction, shill. So that would be, here's our first word. So it's she. What would be our second part of that word? She. Do you remember? It would be she will. She will. Okay? What about this next contraction? Your. Because so if you look at the beginning here, this is my first word, which is you. Now, here's my second part of my word, So that would be, there's a letter taken out, so it's you are. You understanding it so far? Okay, let's go to our third one. Here's my first word, which is we. So here's our contraction, we're. So my first word is we. And then my second part, there we go, it's R-E again, which it's the same up here, so it would be we are. Okay, let's go to my next contraction, couldn't. Here's my first part of my word, could. So I'm gonna write that, could. Now, what would my second word be for the contraction? N''T, that would be not. Could not. All right, two more. Let me see here. I got to move my camera down so you can see them. There we go. All right, here's my word. But remember, this one's tricky. Won't. Our contraction is won't. But won't, that's not a word. So do you remember what that one will actually be? It would be will. Will. And then here's N-T again, which would be not. Will not. And then our last contraction here, haven't. So my first word is have. And then there's our N''T again, so that would be what word? It would be not. Have not. All right, so let's go through these contractions one more time. Ready? She'll, she will. You're, you are. We're, we are. Couldn't, could not. Won't, will not. Haven't, have not. All right, so don't forget. Our compound words are two words joined together to make one word, and then a contraction is also two words, but the first word stays the same, and then the second word, some of the letters are taken out and replaced with an apostrophe. Okay, so for your worksheet today, you have lesson 143, and it looks like this here with the sun at the top, and then there's a picnic basket. Ooh, picnics are so fun. I love picnics. Okay, so if you look at section 1, you need to circle the special sounds, mark the vowels. And then section 2, you need to add the suffix to each word and finish the sentence. So read the sentence, and then they've written the root word and the suffix. They want you to join them together and write it on the line above. So that's pretty simple. So that is for lesson 143. All right. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you later.